Setting up a distributor in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to configure their territory, report source, and on-hand target so their depletion data matches up automatically. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Distributors from your dashboard. This page sets up each distributor you sell through, so their territory, reporting, and stock targets are configured before your team works with their data. Click New Distributor, enter their company and contact information, then assign their territory. Set their report source. If this distributor sends you depletion or inventory reports through a specific portal or file format, select it here so incoming reports match up automatically instead of needing manual mapping. Set your on-hand target for this distributor, how many days or units of stock you want them carrying at any time, since that's what I measure your distributor inventory alerts against. Save. Once a distributor is set up, they're selectable on sales orders, and any depletion reports you import will match against their territory and on-hand targets automatically.